Hi friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad. Today we are looking at an interesting problem from geometry, which is an important segment of all highly competitive exams like Olympiad, SAT, GRE, GMAT, and so on. The question is this. You're given a triangle ABC and EF is a line drawn parallel to BC. The measurements of AE is a 4 centimeter, AB 12 centimeter, EF drawn parallel to BC. Then you are given the area of this portion, EFCB, which is actually a trapezium, that's given to be 128 centimeters square. We are finding the area of triangle AEF, this small triangle. Let me draw these triangles AEF and ABC separately. If you look at these two triangles, you can see the angle A being common. Secondly, EF is drawn parallel to BC. That's given in the question. This implies angle AEF equals angle ABC. I mean, these two angles are equal. You know why? They are the one pair of corresponding angles when the parallel lines EF and BC are cut by transversal AB. If you look at these two triangles, these are those angles. Now again, using the same reason, when EF and BC are cut by this transversal AC, these two angles, that will form another pair of corresponding angles and they are equal. Angle AFC equals angle ACB. Using the same reason, the only difference, transversal will change from AB to AC. So what do you observe here? You have two triangles in which all the three angles of this triangle AEF equal to three angles of this triangle ABC. Rather, we can conclude that triangle AEF and triangle ABC are equiangular. If two triangles are equiangular, they are similar. That means triangle AEF similar to triangle ABC. If two triangles are similar, there is an important result which will help us solve this question. That result is this. Area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle ABC. This ratio is the same as the ratio of the squares of corresponding sides. See, you can have three pairs of corresponding sides. AE is corresponding to AB. So, square of AE divided by square of AB square. Similarly, you have two more ratios which I am not writing here because this is enough to solve the problem we have. So what do you mean by corresponding sides? AE and AB are corresponding sides since they are opposite to equal angles. Which are those equal angles? AFE and ACB. See, angle AFE equal to angle ACB. Can you see this one? Equal angles AFC and angle ACB. This is the reason why we call AE and AB are corresponding sides. So basically, this is the result I have applied. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas, which is what I have written here on the left side, equals the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. We will slightly modify this. Area of triangle AEF, I am writing as it is, but the denominator triangle ABC I can split into area of triangle AEF plus area of quadrilateral EFCB equals AE given to be 4 centimeter. You may refer back to the question. This is given in the problem. So 4 means 4 square. AB is given to be 12. So 12 squared. You please refer back to the question. You can see that AE equal to 4 and AB equal to 12. Now let me use a variable for this area of AEF. Otherwise, you will have to write area of triangle AEF again and again. So let area of triangle AEF be X. This is just an assumption we are making. To ease the further writing, we have to do. So this will be X by the way, I hope you follow this denominator. What I have written is the big triangle. As you can see, ABC, that's nothing but this triangle plus this trapezium. That's what I've done in the denominator here. So X divided by, this is again X. Area of quadrilateral EFCB is given in the problem as 128 centimeter square. Again, you may refer back to the question. That equals 4 square is 16, 12 square is 144. This implies, let me cross multiply. You will have 144x equals 16 multiplied by x plus 128. This implies 144x equals, removing the bracket, 16x plus 16 multiplied by 128. Now take 16x to the left side. You will have 144x minus 16x equals 16 multiplied by 128. This on simplification left side is 128x equals 16 multiplied by 128. Now take 128 to the right side. You will have x equals 16 multiplied by 128. 128 multiplication on the right, it becomes division. And these two will cancel out and you will get 16. So x is equal to 16. Actually, what is x? We had made an assumption. AEF is assumed to be x. So triangle AEF equals x, which is equal to 16 centimeter square. We were finding the area of triangle AEF, and that's found to be 16 centimeter square. So this is the final answer to the question. If there is any point you're not so clear about, drop your comments. And if you liked what you saw in the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so as not to miss out other videos of mine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.